Hello, my name is Lai Sakib. I am from Nursery Blue. Today I will tell you about lowest and
Highest.
Look, that is
So tell me, which is the highest flying bird?
Ripple,
Yes.
Griffin,
Yes.
and Vulture.
Very nice. So the highest flying bird is Rupal, Griffin, Vulture.
Yeah.
Okay. And
I
which
don't know this
word
one.
is that? Can you show with the help of your hand?
This.
No, the upper one. That is the picture of that word, Alaya.
Yeah.
Yes, this is the Rupal, Griffin, Vulture. Okay.
Ripple is not.
Now tell me.
All of that's very cute.
Yeah. Okay, tell me which one is the lowest flying bird?
1 minute, I can find my arrow. There's my arrow. Okay.
Okay, which is the lowest flying bird?
I don't know.
You don't know the name? Nuthatches.
Nuthatches.
Nuthatches is the lowest flying bird. Show the picture of Nuthatches.
Bye bye.